Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from zenpop.jp. You can go there and you can use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. They have really nice subscription boxes, and this is one of them. They also have ones, I believe, that are candies and treats and stationery, Japanese stationery. Pretty cool. All right, well, let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. All right, so when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is a thank you note. No, thank you. And they used to have information sheets, but they don't anymore. They have a little card, and on the back it has instructions about where to go, and you can find out about each and every variety in here. So for these videos, it's kind of tough. But honestly, for my reviews, it's great because I can just copy and paste the information for you when I do the reviews. And yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so I'm just going to go through each and every one of these things and tell you a little bit about it. All right, the first one we have here is some Maruchan Cold Niku Ramen. Perfect for summer. Initially released in 2019, Maruchan is bringing back our favorite heat-beating noodles only for a couple of months. So this is a cold udon. And yeah, this is the best time of year to have cold noodles, obviously, because it's really hot outside. So, yeah, this should be a good one. Next up, we've got a Marutai variety here. This is their Umayoshi Nagasaki Champon. Nagasaki, nested on the west coast of Kyushu, is famous for many things, including their chanpon noodles. Chanpon is made from frying pork, seafood, and vegetables with lard. Soup made with chicken and pig bone is added. The cup went straight from the original recipe and put it in a nice shareable cup. I don't know who's going to share it, but I mean, it's a cup. But yeah, champon is really good stuff. It's almost like a seafood tonkatsu, so should be good. This is a score. I'm excited about it. Unfortunately, this will be around only probably for a short time. This is a big cup noodles, fried chicken, and lemon. Yeah, fried chicken and lemon. Let's see what it has to say about this one. Released on June 14th, the newly developed mysterious meat karaage. The chicken soup comes with a combo of 3 spices, garlic, ginger, and black pepper, and is accented with the refreshing sourness of lemon to create a taste that will keep you coming back for more. I like fried chicken. I haven't had that in so long. Cool. Next up, from Sapporo Ichiban, we have their classic Shio Ramen, but this time with lemon and olive oil. A summer-exclusive ramen that combines the flavor of Sapporo Ichiban Shio Ramen with the flavor and acidity of Setoushi, Japan Inland Sea lemons. Ah, so these are like regional lemons added to this. Cool. Okay, this one is weird. I'm going to tell you right now, this is very strange. This is a Maruchan Kuta variety, and Kuta means like satiated. I'm full, I ate enough. This is a mystery miso flavor. So it says we included some Kuta in our previous pack and couldn't resist getting another one from that reverse lineup. Kuta Secret Spicy Miso, released on the 21st of June. This is brand new and a unique cup of instant ramen aimed at spreading positivity around the globe. The Koku Miso flavor has been rearranged into a spicy Koku miso flavor that mixes a gentle touch of chili and black pepper into the sweetness of the lard. Interesting, okay. Alright, this next one should be good. This is Myojo Tokyo Charumera Abura Soba. So you might be wondering what Charumera is. Well, see this little guy right here? That little horn that he's tooting on? That's a Charumera. Back when they had all the ramen carts running around Japan to alert people, kind of like the ice cream man. They would toot on this horn. People would be like, oh, ramen guy's around. Go get some ramen. Anyways, this one has this to say. Back in the stores due to popular demand, the long-awaited revival of that popular Tokyo origin menu, Myojo Charumera, has been around for a long time. The first one was released in 1966 and made it to fame through the taste and spice of scallops. The Myojo Charomera Oil Soba Cup, released in June 2018 and April 2019, was so successful that fans kept requesting more, and they've brought it back. This new edition of Abura Soba with scallop flavor and comes with spicy soy sauce that's typical of Charomera. Cool, that sounds great. Alright, so the last one in this pack is one from Ace Cook. This is their Mochichi Chicken Salty Lemon Yakisoba. And again, this is a limited time only cup of instant yakisoba released on June 7th. Another new product we got our hands on for you. You may enjoy the savory flavor of stir-fried vegetables and the umami of chicken that's spread slowly in your mouth, combined with the natural acidity of lemon juice from Setouchi once again. In a well-balanced manner, the Mochichi series became famous for its proprietary noodle manufacturing technology, delivering unique texture. Yeah, they keep talking about limited editions of these ramen. You will have varieties of instant noodles in Japan that are out for 3 months. You'll have varieties of instant noodles that are only out for 1 month. I mean, it's really tough. I'll tell you right now, the Japan top 10 list, it's been a hard grind to even make one because it's impossible to know if the products are still around. So, but pretty cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so in this, the August 2021 Citrus Wave Ramen Pack from Zenpop, you get Salty Lemon Yakisoba, Big Cup Noodle Chicken Lemon, Mysterious Miso, a Cold Noodle from Marachan, Champon, Myojo Abura Soba, some Lemon Olive Oil Shio, your thank you note, and your information card. Well, a big thank you to the folks over at Zenpop over in Japan. Thank you so much. I've run into a bit of a snag on going forward with reviews lately because I ran out of noodles to try, and I haven't had any of these. So that's awesome. Thank you. And yeah, if you want to get one of these, shoot on over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a discount, wait a little bit, and you're going to have some noodles at your door, and you're going to be stoked like me. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.